И я потрачу миллион, мой новый эталон. Это мой векон, деньги с этих сторон. Это мой новый закон, мы ссорим баблом. Мы ссорим баблом, мы ссорим баблом. Мы ссорим баблом. Мы ссорим баблом. Помни имена, лица, номера. Я помню только пин-код за мастер-класс. Когда это я иду в магаз. Хочу консультант меня узнать по глазам. Мой стан за меня говорит. Я потрачу все, об этом сделаю ретик. Мой муж за меня разрулить. Вот такой крутой, до руля без лимит. Это сладкая жизнь, как клубника в шоколаде. Люди говорят, ну сколько можно тратить? Не отходя от кассы, я говорю, хватит. Не предлагай мне скидку, ты что, не в адеквате? Однажды я уехала, тусить Турцию. Потеряла сумку, паспорт, да и не высыпаясь завтрак. Я в инклюзиве, ты найдешь меня там, где играет музыка. Я отключаю телефон, и я потрачу миллион. Мой новый эталон. Это мой векон, деньги с этих сторон. Это мой новый закон, мы ссорим баблом. Мы ссорим баблом, мы ссорим баблом. Мы ссорим баблом. Мы ссорим баблом. Мы ссорим баблом. Мы ссорим баблом.
So, hello Bawalog, how are you guys? I hope you trade well. So, this is the quick recap video of today's trade. In which I achieve 1:5 risk to reward. So, let's get started. So, alright, I already shared in my reels yesterday that what is my daily bias. So, my daily bias is bearish for the day. So, starting from the higher time frame, let me first remove all these messy things so that you will not confuse. Okay. Mhm. Mm. Okay, as I mark already, this is the premium zone and this is the discount zone. So my bias is the market already took sell side. Then it is moving, seeking for more liquidity to again grab some buy side area or again target any sell side area. So why my daily bias is bearish? Because when you draw the GAN box here, you can see from top to bottom, you will filter out price is moving here. That means in Asian session, price is moving near the premium zone. When price in premium zone, then you have to seek for short opportunities. All right. Let's see. We dig more deeper into from daily time frame to lower time frame. Okay. So you can see in daily time frame there is a fair value gap, but this is the large one. So what you can do here is that you have to filter it down in lower time frame. What time frame? In 4-hour time frame. You can see there are two fair value gap. One is here and another one is here. So price is already moved here in Asian session. So you can ignore this and you can make this is a fair value gap. Again, this fair value gap is much larger than you cannot trade on 20 to 25 pip range. Na? We have to trade in a tight stop losses and 5 to 10 pip is manageable. When there is more in gap, you have to again more refine it through premium and discount just to find midpoint of this fair value gap. What is the midpoint of this fair value gap is, we can call it as a consequence encroachment. All right, so you can mark here. So I remove this so that, all right. So starting from the London session, as I am a London session trader, I see the strong market structure. I seek for a strong market structure shift in downside, but I didn't get that on the time window that I usually trade between 2 a.m. to 3 a.m., 2 to 5 a.m. actually, but I basically trade between 2 to 3 a.m. Okay, so you can mark this 2 to 5 a.m. This is the actually time window you have to take, but I see here the market structure shift, but it didn't tap any higher time frame, higher time frame reaction point. All right. So the next reaction point is here, midpoint of the fair value gap. And as you can see, the London session starts from 7 a.m. to 12. All right. But I ignore the first hour that I already told you that I called it as a pre-market session. All right. So that price need to build and prepare for the upcoming hours where it seeking for the liquidities. All right. So in starting from the 8 a.m. All right. 8 a.m. Where is 8 a.m.? Here. 8 to 10. You have to see where the algorithm seeking for the liquidities or buy stop or a sell stop. So going to the lower time frame when the price is here, you can see, right, at, okay, yes, yes, 9 a.m. na, all right, here you can see price. This is not a market structure shift because this is not a swing low. What I already told is that the swing low is this. All right. So at 9 a.m. price is go for more to grab those sellers. Okay. Hunt for these buys stop. This is the buy stop, buy side liquidity. Okay. Then market structure shift. This is the swing low. Okay. So here I call it as a market structure shift. But the fair value gap didn't tap here. I go to lower time frame and I see there. You can see this is the swing low and the market structure shift is, this is actual market structure shift. I didn't mark the market structure shift during market hour because it makes chart become more messy. So you have to keep in mind to draw your market structure shift so that your brain can learn. Okay, so this is the fair value gap, immediate fair value gap, because the displacement is too rapid, too rapid, so you can use it the nearer one. If price move aggressively, because price move here aggressively, so you can enter here. And I for more confirmation I wait for the candle close of below the next candle that tap the fair value gap. You can watch my previous video. Whenever I trade, I always try to prefer the next candle. So right, so my entry is near about here on a 65. Yeah, that I see on the, and then I put this stop loss on this candle, the candle that make the fair value gap. Okay, and then where should I put my target TP? Target price is over here. That is logical here. This is the session and I didn't wait for session to hit because we don't know when the market will reverse. Okay, so I just made little bit higher and call it as a sell side or session liquidity. So this was the beautiful 1:5 risk to reward that I achieved. I hope you learn something new and also try to learn about the time frame window. Why I trade on 9, why I trade on 10, that I already told on my 90-minute microcycle. Those who haven't checked that, please go there. Okay, and I try to teach in both, sometime in English, sometime in Hindi, so that both audience can get to know what I am doing here and how I am doing here. Okay, so okay, Bawalog, let's meet in another video, more informative and more knowledgeable. Okay, till then, be safe, trade safe, and Jai Bholenath.